Hey guys, now in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Lgueati. I'll be replacing the dash cam that I have currently. As you can see, it's in a very sorry state because one day I was doing some cleaning of the glass. I ended up hitting it and it basically broke, so I had it makeshift glued together just so that I could have something to give me some form of security while I'm on the road driving, because guys, getting a dash cam is very important. So definitely get one that can both monitor your front and your rear. So the one that I had before was I'd done a video on it, but it was the TV FIA. I think that's what it was called. When I take it down, I'll look at back of the name, but yeah, TV FIA has a very weird name, and I might be butchering how it's pronounced, but it is what it is. Now this one I have, it is a 4K dash cam for the front and a 2K for the back. It has Wi-Fi connection, dual cam, and parking monitor. Similar to this, however, well, similar to the previous one that I have. However, this one had, yeah, it's in a very poor state, so I won't even be showing it a lot. But this one that I have was I think it was a 4K front, and it was a 180p rear camera. So the rear camera has improved, right? And not all 4Ks are made equal. So let's see if this one is even better than the one that I have currently. So I'm going to get to the unboxing, and we will definitely get to see how this performs. Alright, so typical, you get the user manual. This has all the instructions for, I guess, connecting to Wi-Fi, and specifications that it has. It also comes with a micro USB. It's 64 gigabyte. It comes with the rear camera, front camera. Comes with also the adhesive that you can use. I have one already, so I may try to just recycle the one that I have, but at least I have this just in case if that one doesn't work. It also comes with the car charger, and it comes with the easy pry tool to pull out well, make space so you can put in the cable and tuck them in. Alright, so here's a little schematic of it. So different buttons, and we'll get into that as we start to actually use it. So I'll just get to actually setting it up, and then we can get to seeing how it operates. Alright, so let's get to unboxing before I even get to setting it up. Okay. Alright, so I might reuse some of these connections, like the power, so that I don't have to end up, running over the power again. Let's see. I will have to rerun the back camera because it's connected, so nothing can be done about that. But hey, it is what it is, right? So wait, let me see something. Can this connection be plugged out? No, I think it is. It's firmly in. Yeah, this is actually a part of it. So yeah, this can't come out, so I'm definitely gonna have to do that over. So alright, but just, my bad, but just so you can see, right, this is how it looks. Here's the back. The back, you can scan this and get connected. By the way, this is the display that's covered. It's actually a clear cover, so I'm gonna take off this eventually. Yeah, but for now, let me just replace it with the dash cam that's up there, and let's just see how it actually looks when it's on. Alright, so now I have it connected. I might need to adjust it so that I can capture everything in the front, but for now this is it. There are the controls at the bottom. Alright, so I'm gonna say okay for English. Alright, so I've edited the time. It says data might be lost, but that's okay. Okay, so nice formatting. Alright, so it's telling me I can connect using the app. Now I'm just gonna connect in a few. Alright, so now it is connected. Let me dim down the light a bit. So it actually, alright, it's actually a pretty wide angle. So I'm just going to connect via the app, and I'm going to just ensure that the back camera is positioned right, because right now it's not positioned on the glass, it's just down on the bottom of the trunk. So let me go and fix that. But for now it is catching a very wide angle, so I don't think I'll move it from here. Alright, so it has been connected and everything has been set up. It's very clear. I can also use the app to basically see what's going on. I think I'm okay with the rear camera. It is catching enough of what I need to see. Yeah. I have no issue with it at all. Alright, so this concludes the video. Please hit like and subscribe, and tune in for more content like this.